Welcome to this documentary-style breakdown on deepfakes, the death of reality. We explore how you can no longer trust your eyes in the digital age. What if you couldn't believe anything you see? Not videos, not photos, not voices. That world is already here. Imagine a world leader declaring war, a celebrity confessing a crime, or your boss calling for bank details, all on video. You see it, you believe it, but none of it happened. This is the frightening reality of deepfakes. Reality is no longer real, and that should scare you. So what exactly is a deepfake? It's deep plus fake. A fake so sophisticated your brain can't tell. Deepfakes include AI-generated media, face swapping at scale, and voice cloning, all now accessible to anyone with a phone. How does AI fake a face? It's like a student copying many faces until it creates its own. It involves 4 main steps: feeding the AI thousands of images, the AI learning every detail, generating new frames of that face, and finally, blending the fake face onto a target video. Behind every deepfake is a secret war between 2 AIs, known as a generative adversarial network, or GAN. The generator creates fake faces to fool the discriminator, which tries to judge if the face is real. They train each other to be perfect. Deepfakes have evolved from laughable abstract blobs in 2014 to real-time, near-photorealistic fakes today. The timeline shows a rapid acceleration from crude beginnings to instant, indistinguishable forgeries in live video calls. It took humans 30,000 years to paint cave walls. It took AI just 10 years to fake reality perfectly, and it's still accelerating. These are not hypotheticals. These are real cases that already happened. Political manipulation is a major threat. Examples include the Zelensky surrender video, the US election robocalls using President Biden's cloned voice, and AI-fabricated protest images designed to fuel social unrest. Deepfakes fuel celebrity and voice scams. Non-consensual videos target actresses. In 2019, a UK company lost $243,000 to CEO voice fraud. Deepfaked ads and kidnapping hoaxes also manipulate people emotionally and financially. If you have a photo online, you already have a deepfake waiting to be made. Nobody is safe. The dark side of deepfakes includes fake news and propaganda, financial fraud and scams, reputation destruction of private individuals, and ultimately, the collapse of social trust, weakening courts and democracy. The psychological impact is severe. The liar's dividend means real videos are dismissed as fake, allowing criminals to escape justice. It leads to reality confusion and emotional manipulation, triggering panic even when fakes are debunked. The most dangerous weapon in the deepfake era is not the fake video itself. It is the ability it gives people to deny reality entirely. Despite the threats, deepfakes have a good side, although it's outnumbered. Applications include de-aging actors for film, creating interactive educational experiences, restoring the voices of people who have lost them, and improving accessibility through sign language avatars. The war to detect deepfakes is an endless one. Every current detector, like Microsoft's and Intel's, is fighting yesterday's battle. The continuous arms race between detection AI and creation AI means the fake usually wins in the end. Detection is losing because AI models constantly learn from failed attempts. Deepfakes can remove digital artifacts through compression, and real-time fakes leave no file to analyze. Even human eyes perform at only about 50% accuracy against modern deepfakes. The battle for truth is fully automated. It is AI versus AI, and unfortunately, the fakers are currently winning. What comes next? Right now, we have real-time deepfakes in video calls. Soon, we'll see fully AI-generated humans with detailed fake life histories. After that, we face the complete collapse of reality, with manufactured news events and content beyond human perception. Soon, we will face entirely AI-generated individuals, people who never existed, complete with full social media histories, documents, and videos. Your coworker might already be a deepfake. How can you protect yourself? Pause before sharing any shocking video and ask who benefits. Verify images and videos with a reverse search. If a voice call is suspicious, hang up and call back on a trusted number. Set a family code word for emergencies and rely on trusted news sources, not social media. Ultimately, develop media literacy. Deepfakes threaten more than just videos. They are truly killing truth, democracy, journalism, justice, privacy, science, and fundamental social trust. When you can't trust what you see, every pillar of society is at risk. The The real question is not, can AI fake reality? It's, what is truth when anything can be faked? We are entering an age where seeing something proves nothing. The only thing standing between you and deception is your own critical mind. Guard it carefully. In a world where anything can be faked, we must constantly question, what is truth? Think about it. Thank you for watching this video on deepfakes, the death of reality. If this video opened your eyes, please like and share to spread awareness. Let us know what deepfake scenario scares you most in the comments.